Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Your Reviews. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D printing with the top 5 best 3D pens you can buy this year. If you're as passionate about creativity as I am, these pens are game changers. Before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to smash the like button to stay updated on the latest tech trends. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just getting started in the world of 3D printing, these pens are bound to elevate your artistic endeavors. Let's unravel the possibilities together. Kicking off our list is the Dikale 07, a newest version 3D printing pen. This sleek and stylish pen is not just a tool, it's an incredible resource for modern arts and crafts, offering endless fun for kids and artists of all ages. The Dikale pen stands out as a unique and cool gift, making it perfect for occasions like Christmas, New Year, Valentine's Day, birthdays, and festivals. It's not just a gadget, it's a perfect gift to enhance spatial thinking and artistic skills in children. The bonus 120 feet PLA filament pack adds to its appeal, ensuring hours of creative exploration. With one-button control, adjustable temperature, and speed modes, this pen is a game changer. Next on our list is the Original Magic 3D printing pen, offering a wireless and rechargeable solution for creative minds. Safe and perfect for kids, this pen is a DIY dream come true. The portability and ease of use make it an ideal gift for any occasion, fostering creativity in the younger generation. Get ready to explore a new dimension of drawing with this battery-powered wonder. Coming in at number 3 is the PIKA3D PRO 3D printing pen. Plug-and-play simplicity meets creativity with this pen, making it easy to create simple shapes and intricate designs. Ideal for ages 14 and up, PIKA3D is not just a tool for arts and crafts. It's a valuable learning tool for subjects like math, architecture, and science. This ready-to-use kit, complete with a stencil guide, ensures a gift of creativity for any occasion. The runner-up on our list is the SCRIB3D Advanced 3D Printing Pen. Unleash your inner pro with this feature-packed pen that offers variable speed control and a large LCD screen for precision doodling. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, and the ready-to-use kit, including 20 feet of PLA plastic and a stencil guide, makes it perfect for both beginners and advanced users. This pen is designed for those who want to take their 3D modeling to the next level. And finally, claiming the top spot is the SCRIB3D P1 3D printing pen. This affordable yet high-grade pen is a gift for the whole family, encouraging quality time and creative collaboration. The stepless speed function allows for optimal control, whether working on intricate projects or faster infill work. The temperature adjustability accommodates multiple filament types, providing versatility for various tasks. The ready-to-use kit, complete with 30 feet of PLA plastic, ensures that you can dive into the world of 3D art with ease.